Hello, it's the EdShed. We already had it was Christmas evening in the EdShed. Anyway, I never had a drink. I stayed sober all night and I fixed a few bicycles and put some presents together. And now it's Christmas Day and I've already had to wake up because obviously all the children are really happy. But anyway, I'd like to wish all the EdShed viewers a Merry Christmas, and I will obviously possibly try and get some videos up there, but unfortunately my editor is not in the UK, so we're having a bit of fun there, and as I said before, it's a little bit tricky, but Santa didn't get me any presents, so I've had to go onto my tricky shelf and had a look here. You see, this is some of the presents I had from years ago. So for the minute, put it back. See, this is when you have children. Not your own, but I've got some up here which I like, and I can't remember how to make it work. Remember, it used to work, but someone's messed about with it. Hold on a minute, shush, 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 shush. That's not the one. You see, da-da-da. Maybe next year we're going to put that together, because we've got it. It's up in the shed, and as I said, we'll see how we get on. Talk to you then, boys. Bye.